right, friends, hello. So excited that you're back. This is a Cooped Kids Corner. Now, tonight's video is a little different. It's nighttime out, so it's a perfect time for a meditation. You can do a meditation at any point in the day, but as you're starting to unwind, it's a really great time just to kind of give the brain a break and focus on one, maybe two things, and be grateful for some of the things that have happened today. All right, so if you don't have a comfortable spot, go ahead and pause this video for a minute. Find a spot that you feel comfortable in. That could be your bed, it could be a fun little cozy spot on the couch, and then press play when you're ready. All right, so today's meditation is called Special Star. Here we go. Imagine that there is a star in the sky just for you. It can look like anything at all. It can be any color, made out of any material, and it may change from moment to moment and day by day, just as everything else changes. Sometimes large and sometimes small, sometimes bright and sometimes dim. Your star is always there. Let's feel the warmth of the star on different parts of our bodies. As the starlight shines on your forehead, feel your forehead relax, and all of the stress and strain of the day fade away. Then imagine that the starlight shines on your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your chest, your belly, your lower back, your legs, your ankles, and your feet. And finally, imagine your whole body resting in the warmth of the starlight. When you're ready, sit up slowly and reach your hands to the sky. Take a deep breath in and lower your arms as you breathe out. So I hope you enjoyed that meditation, and feel free to come back and use that at any point. And you can also share in the comments what you thought about it and maybe your own meditation. All right, so remember, every single day we're gonna be posting a brand new video. Tomorrow might be totally different. You're gonna just have to tune in and find out. We love you lots. We're sending you lots of prayers. We hope you're having a good time. Even though some of you are still working from home, I'm sure you're having a great time. We love you lots. We'll see you soon. Take care.